Hello everyone, this is Stella from SMAT Machinery. Today I'm in our self-loading concrete mixer truck factory. Let's follow my step and take a look at our workshop. Our manufacturing starts with high-precision CNC laser cutting, which ensures precise sizing and neat cutting edges for all structural parts. Next, we adopt a professional shearing machine and bending machine for metal forming. For welding process, we apply double welding craft. Operators perform spot welding and robots take over for the rest of the welding process. Our welders have been fully trained and have extensive practical experience. Robotic spot welding can quickly weld vertical body structures, ensuring the body strength and quality. It can also precisely weld tiny spot welds, ensuring reliable connections between components. Here are some finished welds to show you. As you can see, all welds are clean and smooth. Behind me is our boring and milling area. The machine tools are stable, minimizing the effect of vibration. It can machine holes of various shapes and sizes, as well as flat surfaces and grooves. After short blasting and many rust removal, the parts proceed to the electrocoating process. It provides corrosion resistance while powder coating enhances wear resistance and overall appearance for harsh working conditions. Then the parts are moved to our semi-finished area. All components are neatly placed here, waiting for the next assembly process. This standard storage and management keeps our production organized, ensures every part is well protected. In the final stage, we adopt AGV Assembly. This enables automated material handling and assisted assembly, reducing material waiting time and enabling continuous production. It also enhances precision, ensuring consistent assembly quality of each product. Finished products are fully inspected before delivery, ready for global shipment and international cooperation. We insist on precise manufacturing and strict quality control, offering reliable OEM and ODM services. Welcome global clients for inquiries and long-term cooperation.